Hello friends, welcome back to English by Mahesh. If you want to speak English fluently, practice is key. Today we have 25 spoken English questions. Let's get started. Day 2 spoken English quiz. Choose the correct answer for each question. What do you say when someone helps you? Thank you. If someone asks what do you do, what are they are asking about? Your job. If you want to introduce two people, what do you say? This is Mahesh. If someone says have a great day, what do you reply? Thank you, you too. If you don't know the answer to a question, what can you say? I don't know. How do you politely ask for the time? What is the time, please? What do you say when someone sneezes? Bless you. If someone asks where are you from, how do you reply? I am from India. How do you start a formal email? Dear sir or madam. If you are in a store and want to buy something, what do you ask? How much does this cost? What do you say if you need help in an emergency? Help please. How do you offer someone a seat? Please have a seat. If someone asks, do you speak English? How do you reply? Yes, I do. If you want someone to repeat something, what do you say? What did you say? How do you ask someone to wait? Wait a moment, please. If someone says take care, what do you reply? You too. If you are late to a meeting, what should you say? Sorry, I am late. If someone says I am sorry, what is a good reply? No problem. How do you think politely ask someone to move aside? Excuse me, please. What do you say when ordering at a restaurant? I would like chicken biryani, please. If someone asks for directions and you don't know, what do you say? I don't know, sorry. If someone offers you a tea and you want it, how do you accept? Yes, please. What do you say when someone congratulates you? Thank you. If you call a friend and they don't answer, what do you do? Send a message. If you need someone to repeat a word, what do you ask? Can you say that again, please? That's it for day 2. How many did you get right? Comment your score below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to English by Mahesh and hit the bell icon for more fun quizzes. See you in the next piece. Bye bye. Thank you.